Hello, good morning, how you doing? What the move is? Welcome to the future, I'm the captain of the cool kid.
What are these? Dude, are they edible?
What happened? What happened?
A little nut thing I stepped on. What?
You're on.
I'm on what?
Video.
On top of you. Haha, just joking. I love you. I love you.
Love you too.
Normally, if we were like in New Orleans or something, they'd be like, what the hell was that about?
No, they'd be like, I love you. Get in my car, bitch. I love you! What vagina? What I wanna have sex with your vagina. What vagina? Way back. I think I can drive like that. Whatever. I see how it is. I would so totally bone that car. Oh, the what? Oh, no, it's okay. Keep on driving. It's okay. I love you.
Just say hello.
Hello! I love you! Oh God, it's raining! It's raining! It's raining. It's raining. It's raining. It's raining. It's raining.
Come on.
It's raining. It's raining. Woo! Go, it's raining!
Okay.
Oh God, the shelter's ass monkey.
Can do it like a brother, do it like a dude. Put my crush where my head low like you.
I wanna have sex with your vagina.